saying that when this man took his ex-wife to court because she was trying to take his dog from him after divorce, even though it was his dog. Saying that she has all the documents from the vet and that she is the real owner of the dog. It was hard for the judge to decide, so she came up with a brilliant idea. She asked if they had the dog with them, and to bring him into the room, and when they did so, she ordered to put the dog on the floor for him to decide, and he ran straight to the man. He was so happy because in that moment, it was enough for the judge to decide, and he gained full ownership of the dog. Note: if you are not follow me, you never see me again. If you are, congratulations, you growth mentally.